You're about to witness this shit firsthand. I haven't done this in a while.
All right, I gotta give you a fair warning on this video. This guy is, it's difficult to watch this guy. And the cop is not helping the situation either. You have a soft being stopped and he's engaging with the cop or the cop engaging with him. They're having a chat. Make sure you have coffee and maybe a donut, and then we go ahead and watch this thing.
How you doing, sir?
I'm alright. Is there a reason why you touched my truck?
Yes, sir. Safety reasons. Do you have your license?
Yes, I do, man. That's why you pulled me over.
I couldn't see your inspection sticker. You had that sticker, but it doesn't look like you have an inspection sticker either, do you?
Oh, I don't.
Okay.
Okay.
I have actually done another video of this guy previously. Different stop, different cop. And he was as a pleasant person then as well. So there's no surprises on this video for me, but you have not yet seen him before. He's gonna blow your mind. I can promise you. This guy is something else.
Do you have your license?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it?
Yes, sir. I'm grabbing that right now.
Okay,
you said it was a safety issue why you touched my truck. Can you elaborate? I've never heard that before.
Yeah, as soon as I get your license.
Okay. And your name, please?
Officer Throckmorton, South Boston Police Department.
Officer Throckmorton.
Okay. Is there any reason why you don't have your inspection sticker?
Is it required?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
State of Virginia.
Okay, I didn't know that. I'll look into that, and I'm sure I'll comply.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Give me 1 second. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be right back. All right, Mr. Roboto.
Yes, sir.
I have one question. What is your current address? Is this the Chamberlain Street? Is that the current address?
What is the requirement for the address for?
Well, I'm just making sure that it's correct on your license.
Okay, what do you have there?
Your license.
No, I know you have my license. You took that from me. What is the paperwork you
It's
got
a Virginia uniform summons that I'm gonna issue you for no inspection sticker. I just want to make sure that I have the right date.
there? Is that a criminal infraction?
It's a traffic infraction.
It's a traffic infraction.
Yes, sir.
Can I file a criminal report with you since you pulled me over today?
Absolutely, if you wish to do that.
Yeah, I do.
But we could talk about that.
I can't talk about that until I file the criminal report with you, sir, because this pertains to evidence, to substantiate evidence of racketeering under color of law in regards to what you're soliciting here right now with an unconscionable contract bringing me into court already as a victim under duress from crime that I've already reported brought on by the Department of Motor Vehicles.
Okay.
Please allow me to elaborate. Are you familiar with what a motor vehicle is?
Sure.
All right, seems like we are going to get a lesson on Sovcitology as to what a motor vehicle is and all the related laws and bylaws and all the rest of them. The ships and the boats and the harbors and all of those normal Sovcit talking points this guy has. And he's got a lot. He does have a lot. And this cop just let him yap on and yap on and yap on. I don't know why, but this is what he does.
Are you aware of the federal definition of a motor vehicle?
I believe so.
Okay. Are you aware that since you have belief and knowledge of what the federal definition of a motor vehicle is, that a motor vehicle, by federal definition, is one that is used on the highways explicitly for commercial purposes? Are you aware of this?
I don't believe that is correct.
It is much so correct. Can you please look that up real quick before we proceed? Because I am filing a criminal report right now with you.
Okay, well, we can do that after this situation.
Sir, you don't want to participate in racketeering under color of law right now and bring in unwittingly a prosecutor to prosecute me over a victimless crime if you know nothing about the law surrounding what you're involving yourself with right now. So can I please begin to file my criminal report with you before you engage in racketeering under color of law and deprive me of my rights, bringing me in for another malicious prosecution where you wouldn't have evidence to substantiate that I am legally required to have that, because this is federally protected property. You said yourself you have knowledge of what the definition of a motor vehicle is. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, is this guy doing the right thing, the cop? Is he doing the right thing by just keeping quiet and let this driver educate him, so-called educate him on the laws. I mean, it doesn't make sense to me that a law enforcement officer allows someone like this to dominate the conversation. This cop has a job to do. Give the guy a summons, give him a fine, give whatever he needs to do. This guy can have his story with the judge, not with a cop on the side of the road. That's my opinion. What do you think? Is this the right way to go about it, or is this just a weak cop? My opinion, it's a weak cop. I could be totally wrong. I might be a little bit prejudiced as far as that is concerned, but I think it's a weak cop. You let me know what you think about it.
You are aware that federally, I'm telling you federally, and you can look this up right now in Google, the federal definition, which you will see for your own eyes if you investigate the criminal report that I'm making right now, alleging felony crime has occurred. I haven't got into it yet, but the federal definition states that you're claiming are you claiming this to be a motor vehicle?
What you're driving, yes.
Okay, federally it's not.
Okay. Well,
Have you any evidence right now that I'm
state
engaged
code.
in commerce right now on the roads?
I'm writing you a state code, not a federal code.
I'm not a statist, sir. Are you a statist?
Do you have a Virginia license?
What are you holding?
Your Virginia license.
And you're asking me what?
If you're not a statist, then why would you carry a Virginia license?
I'm a victim under duress.
Yeah, the only victim here would be the cop having to listen to your nonsense. That's about the only victim out there. And that's the cop's doing. That's what I think.
Yeah, and that's why I'm trying to file a criminal report, because this is ongoing racketeering that I'm involved with as a
All right,
victim.
so let me explain this to you.
I don't need you to. I need you to take the criminal report because you're about to engage in becoming an accessory to their crimes after the fact.
Okay, I understand what you're saying.
Do you really?
Yes, I
But
do.
you're not writing this down.
I know, but we have
taking evidence from my mouth under penalty of perjury that I'm giving you right now.
Okay, are you finished?
You obviously haven't begun to take an appropriate formal criminal report, and I'm requesting you perform your administrative duties. Are you a member of the Blue Wall of Silence? I'm asking because you're wearing a thin blue line on your badge to cover. Is it covering a number?
No, sir.
It's not. You don't have a badge number?
2 police officers that were shot in the last week or so.
Okay, do you have a blue line on your car or anything? But you got it on your uniform.
Mine
Okay.
is,
Are you aware of what obstruction is, sir?
I am.
You are. Because I'm investigating you, Mr. Throckmorton, right now on camera for obstruction of justice, failing to perform your administrative duties, taking a criminal report as required by law with information pertaining to what you're involving yourself into right now when you know nothing about it.
Okay. All right, so
This guy just keeps on talking. He sure has a lot to say. Man, this guy's irritating to me anyway.
I'm going to explain this.
I'm not signing in, and I don't need your cop explaining, sir. I'm good. Do what you feel is necessary.
That's what I'm going to do.
Because I don't consent to your unauthorized racketeering at the end of the day. You told me you know that this is not a federal motor vehicle by definition, and you're engaging me in criminal solicitation right now with the racketeering under color of law.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do is you have a court date of April 18th, 2022.
What happens if I don't show up to this court date as a victim of your crime under duress for fear that you might show up and further retaliate with members of the bar and judges against me?
Okay. Well, let me explain
I'm asking you seriously, what happened?
Let me explain it to you.
Stop explaining. Go ahead.
You have a court date at Halifax General District Court.
Yes, sir.
April 18th, 2022, 8:30 a.m.
And this involves a prosecutor, right?
I charged you with no state inspection sticker.
Okay.
Okay.
Man, this guy, he just can't shut up, eh? He just has to hear his own voice all the time.
I'll give you the option to sign on this line. You don't have to. You just have to know that your court date is April 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
And I asked you,
if you have any questions, you can call this number beside GDC.
So I can't ask you the question, what happens if I don't show?
After I'm finished.
Okay.
I did also mark the box where you can prepay. Okay?
Okay.
And I would like to hand you this copy.
Is that a supervisor?
I'm not sure. I can't see.
Can we bring him over here? Hey, come on.
Let's finish this.
Well, I want a witness that also has a badge too, please, because I want to get into this criminal report with you.
Here is your license and a copy of this summons.
Okay, I don't want a copy of the summons. I don't.
Okay, well, it's totally up to you, but I
want my license.
Okay.
That's got my photo ident D on it. This is proof of citizenship. Am I correct?
Citizenship?
Citizenship. Is this proof of citizenship?
It's proof that you have a Virginia license.
Okay. Oh, or citizenship in the state of Virginia, right? Proof of citizenship. I'm a Virginia resident. I'm a citizen of the state.
I assume that's what.
All right. You want to call me a status because I got this little piece of placard, right?
Okay. So
okay, cool.
I just want you to make sure you know that your court date is April 18th, 2022, 8:30.
I don't care about
and you're
that
charged
right
with
now.
no state
I care about the criminal report I need to file when you're done.
Okay. If you want to file a criminal complaint for what was that?
You don't recall anything I just told you?
Well, I'm trying to do one thing at a
Sir,
time.
do you know where you're at right now?
I do.
Where are you at?
I'm in South Boston, Virginia.
More specifically, what location?
Walmart.
Okay, all right. I'm just making sure. Do you know about what time of day it is?
I would say 4:40.
Okay. Are you under the influence of any illicit substances right
Mr.
now?
Raposo, if you have a complaint that you wish to file,
I'm only asking you these questions because you told me. I mean, we talked about the ID and you contradicted
all right,
yourself.
Mr. Raposo, as long as you know your court date, we're done with this. If you would like to file a complaint or something else
with you right now in regards to this, you just made yourself an accessory, sir. Can you please get a pen?
You have a nice day. Okay?
No, I'm not done with you, sir. You're dismissing yourself and you're obstructing justice because I'm attempting to file a criminal report with you.
All right. So this is where he cut his video. Okay, look, I think the cop was weak. I think he should have handled it a lot different. But then on the other hand, he was also very patient and he allowed this guy to speak, right? I just don't know if I'm that kind of guy to to allow a dummy like this to dominate the conversation. But that's just me. I mean, I could be totally wrong here. What do you guys think? Was the cop right in allowing this guy to say as much as he did? And in my opinion, he dominated the conversation. Let me know in the comments. Is it a weak cop? Is it a patient cop? I have no idea. I have no idea. Anyway, guys, hopefully in the next video we'll have I don't know, some aggressive cop, some window break, something that will pick us up as far as the cops are concerned. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments down below. It does help us a lot. Great stuff. I'll see you in the next one.